July is the hottest month for camping. I'm renting my campers. I have two. One of my campers, it's going to be out for 5 consecutive weeks because I somehow managed to pull off 5 different rentals with same-day flips. Now, what's a same-day flip? It's when you pick up a camper from one location and you take it directly to another location. So you're ending one rental and then you're exactly the same day starting another rental. This camper is bringing in over $4,500 this month. $4,500 in 4 weeks. That's not including the whole 5. In 4 weeks, my camper is bringing in $4,500. If you're not renting your camper yet, you should be renting your camper. I can help you. It literally changes lives. It is literally changing people's lives. You should do it. If you've thought about doing it, it's time. You should do it. I can help you in my group. You can subscribe to my channel. I don't really care. I can help you. You can figure it out on your own. Whatever. Find a community that's going to support you and rent your camper.